Morning everyone, thanks for tuning in to Arizona Dreams. Today we're in Sedona, Arizona, specifically West Sedona as current. Elevation about 4,000 feet, and it's a town of about 10,000 plus or minus population. I'm going to jump right in with some stats for you. Checking out area vibe scores because, I like to give you guys a variety of scores. Livability score for Sedona is 69. Cost of living, it's an F, and I'll explain that here in a minute. Education's not too good either. It's a D. Housing's a B plus because there's plenty of housing for 10,000 people. Amenities, it's an A plus, and there's a reason for that too. It's a tourist town, so there are all kinds of opportunities to do activities, eating, shopping. They've got a 50 store complex of arts and crafts and just unique stuff called Tlaquepaque, and there's some history on that. Employment, it's a B minus, not too bad. Weather, it's an F, and I'm gonna say that's got to have changed recently because it didn't used to be too bad in the summertime, but it's supposed to be in the high 90s today and the humidity of about 40%. So you're gonna get the garbage weather of the valley in the summertime, i.e. high heat, but add into it high humidity because of the monsoon season, and it gets trapped. The monsoon humidity gets trapped in this valley. But then you also get a pretty good weather as far as representation of winter. Median age here, it's 58.3. So if you haven't gathered, it's a tourist town and it's a retirement center. And you're gonna see by the buildings that we've got running around here, the architecture's nice. There's some areas that you're kind of like, eh. But for the most part, the architecture is pretty cool and it looks expensive, and it is. But there's a reason for that. People are retiring here, or they're young artists that are packing into multi-living spaces. So this is Sedona Red Rock High School, which you can see right here. All right, so Sedona Red Rock High School, home of the Scorpions. It's an 8 on the rating scale, and we've got some, looks like football going on down there. Oh, soccer, sorry. That's the only one that got an 8. Big Park Community School, K through 6, it got a 6. West Sedona Elementary School, it's a K through 6, it got a 2. And Red Rock Academy, which is a 9 through 12, similar to this high school, it also got a 2. Now we're going to ride over and show you some of the surrounding neighborhoods. Alright, so I wanted to show you some of the housing opportunities. Looks like this one's getting some paint done. If you're wondering why it has all those white marks all over it. Stucco, adobe, if you will, on the exteriors. These are good sized homes. They're the flat roofs that we've explained before. So they'll have the water drains coming out. That's what those little scoops are coming out of the sides of the buildings. Taking advantage of some of the heat. Looks like they're building a new one up here, so you can kind of see how they're structured a little bit up here. So this looks like this is a newer neighborhood, and then you also have this one over here. If you flip around, I'll have to back up now. There's a observation deck or patio, whatever, up above, and they have a nice spiral staircase there. Because you're up in the elevation, if you look around right now, what we're seeing is across the valley, we're getting to see the mountains that are across the way. Outdoor fans are another big thing that you'll find out here. You'll also see misters on a lot of these homes. I've seen a couple with tin roofs, which is pretty interesting that they would do that up here. I'm not sure why they would do that, but kind of cool. But as I said, these are nice homes. First, the average median income here or whatever is $56,000. The property value of homes like this that we're looking at, median, $480,000 to $481,000. That's median. And if you're interested in buying up in this beautiful area, the list price median, $618,500. That's median. And I'm going to guess houses like that guy are not $618. They're more than that. We're on the top of the rise. This guy, I guarantee you, is more than, they're going to add you more than $618. So you get beautiful homes like that with all glass to take advantage of the view across the valley. You get hidden by all of this beautiful lush greenery. But look at these homes. I mean, these are beautiful homes, for sure. Beautiful place, for sure. Well, this has been our tour of Sedona. We've shown you quite a few places. You get beautiful views like that. You know the drill. Subscribe, share, like, comments down below. Let me know where you want us to go. When you subscribe, ring my bell so that you get the notifications and alerts on the subscribe. Otherwise, check back for the next video and take care.